was all mine. The area over here, it's got that little bit of U shape there. That was all mine, reclaimed. He's doing a reforestation plan. And you leave the surface really rough. It's okay, rocks on the top are fine, doesn't matter. But it's actually good. And you leave humps. And you plant the trees. Well, what it boils down to, you're not compacting the soil so much. So those tree roots can really grow. And they'll grow about 300 to 400% faster and be more healthy than if you smoothed it all over like a lawn, or put the topsoil back, planted grass, and then went in and tried to plant trees later.